Hello lovely people and welcome to Trinket Corner. Today I will show you how I made an interesting landscape painting with a creatively carved frame. The concept is not new, I've seen it on Pinterest multiple times and I've decided to give it a try. Now for those of you who has proper wood cutting tools, this version will look tedious and hard. However, I'm afraid of cutting wood, so I've decided to try air drying clay. Now as you can see, I've cut cardboard pieces to fit perfectly into my frame. I numbered them and loosely connected using masking tape. I apply a layer of crack-filling paste on the back of cardboards. Once it's dry, it will make the cardboard firm enough so it doesn't curl at the edges when air drying clay is applied on the other side. Because when I apply air drying clay and it dries, it has the tendency to curl the edges of the cardboard. When the paste is dry, I turn the cardboard and apply a layer of air drying clay. I attach clay using PVA glue. I wet my finger in water to smooth the surface. I use a Woodgrain impression mat to give it more woodsy texture. But if you don't have such mat, you can use something as simple as a toothpick. I repeat the step for every piece of cardboard. Now that my desks are ready and still wet, I trace the bear. While the clay is still wet, it's easier to manipulate, so I simply scrape off the excess. It usually takes 24 hours for air drying clay to settle, so I had plenty of time to work. When the clay was dry, I marked the other side with numbers and started painting with the darkest shade of brown I had. I made sure the paint got into every cavity. Then I applied lighter shade of brown. Finally, I dry brushed with almost yellow. Acrylic paint gets darker when it's dry, so it wouldn't stay yellow. Paste on the back prevented deformation, but it's still soft enough to be cut easily. Now we make the landscape. Actually, you don't have to paint anything, you can just print a landscape picture you liked on color printer and paste it. But I've seen a very easy tutorial on TikTok and I wanted to try it. As usual, I will put the list of products and tools I used in the description box. I will also include links to the things I bought online in case you want to purchase them yourself. Don't forget to let each layer dry before you apply the next layer. As we move forward, the shades will get darker. I add a generous layer of fog in between mountains. The masking tape will form a river bank. The same principle applies here. Trees on the background are lighter, trees on the foreground are darker. I add a little bit of fog over the water. Then I remove the masking tape and add reflections. Don't worry if they are crooked or uneven, because that's the way they need to be. As the final step for our painting, I've decided to add a flock of flying birds. While the painting is drying, let's finally glue the frame. I glue 2 horizontal pieces of cardboard to provide additional support to our bare frame. Finally, piece by piece, I hot glue our fake pieces of wood. I gather everything secure from the back, and our landscape emerging from the bear is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think about it, and I will see you guys soon.